Hi, it's Rob from ActionCOACH Reading Wokingham here. I wanted to talk to you today about the importance of business planning, and in particular about the Growth Club 90-day planning workshop that we run, funnily enough, every 90 days. During lockdown, like a lot of people, we've turned to doing that online. But now we've got one coming up, which is going to be a live event at Medeski Stadium. It's limited to only 43 people, so about half the number we normally have there, so booking is going to be important. And at the Growth Club, what we do is we get business owners along. They could be our clients and others, could be team members along, and we get them to focus on the coming 90 days. And the beauty of 90 days is it's long enough to achieve something meaningful, but short enough to maintain focus. Maintaining focus, that is, if you've created the plan and done it the right way. So we work through using a workbook. It's got everything through it, leads you through step by step. And the whole process really goes through 5 different things. So we get you to focus on what are the maybe 3 to 5 key goals that are going to get you where you need to be by the end of this quarter. And then make those goals really smart. So they're very specific and they're measurable. No woolly stuff like increase sales or get more leads. It's like how much, by when, in what way. And then to break those down into specific actions over a 12 to 13 week period. And then the key after that, having got that plan, having gotten it written in a very visible, easy ways, you can see what staying on track takes. And then you need to keep it visible, put it on your wall, give it to your team members, make that commitment. And then you'll find it relatively easy, to stay on track and achieve those goals by the end of each quarter. And every quarter you do the same. It's amazing what results our clients get by sticking to that all the way through to the end of the year, quarter after quarter, week by week, being on track. And at the end of the year, they usually tell us they never thought planning worked before, but they've actually achieved more and stuck to the plan better than they've ever done before. So please consider joining us either at the upcoming Growth Club, which is on the 2nd of October at Medeski Stadium, or at another one in future. Or just contact us and see how we can help you plan in your own workplace. That's me, Rob from ActionCOACH Reading Wokingham. Join us for Growth Club, 2nd of October. It's a Friday, it's a full day event, and it's not on Zoom. We look forward to meeting you there.
I decided to come to this Growth Club because it's sort of in my routine now, really, to be honest. I actually really miss it when I don't come to Growth Club, and I've noticed that when I have missed ones in the past, that there is something lacking in the business for the 90 days, and that's a plan. So I actually really now focus on coming and book it in the diary.
It's been a very consistent part of helping us to take our business forward year after year after year. The 5 years that we've been here, we've doubled our turnover, we're winning awards, we are in a situation where the business is in so much of a better place, and Growth Club and the consistent attendance at it has been a key part of it.
A bit of focus with thinking, and also having access to a room full of business coaches also helps. And I think it also challenges you in terms, as a business owner, you may have a certain view in mind about what you are expecting to do over the next 90 days, but when you come to Growth Club, actually by the end of the day you've worked through it and it challenges some of your preconceived ideas. So your plan that you end up with might be quite different to what you thought you were going to have at the start of the day.
It's great fun. You get some great characters, different business people at different stages of their journey. You get to share ideas, you get to see other people's perspectives on things. They may be facing or have faced challenges already that haven't yet arrived with you, so you can get some forewarning of that. They might have solved something that you're trying to solve at the moment, but similarly you can also give them help. By the same token, we'll have achieved things that they're looking to achieve, so we can give them some guidance and support. So it's a real community type environment.